If you're struggling with your AI marketing, then this video is for you. What you see in front of you right now, it's a second brain, but it's not just one second brain. It's a full-on vault of everything in regards to marketing. Here I'm talking about marketing brain. Here I'm talking about the website brain, social media hub, which schedules the posts automatically for you, local SEO brain, which is going to take care of everything local SEO, maps, and Google My Business, email marketing that will automate and help you identify gaps maybe inside your email marketing itself, and also of course with workflows relevant to email marketing. We have cybersecurity, ads, sales brain, that if you want to go for full-on sales in regards to your sales workflows, right? The generative AI. We have also brainstem that are going to help you create different sort of brains. We also have skills inside our community, right? So once again, everyone, just for information, everything that you see right now here on the right hand side, it's a full-on vault. It is the ultimate assistant for our AI Marketing Hub Pro community. So inside we have everything, which we're going to cover in just a bit. But at the same time, I would like to inform you that what exactly we have inside, because this whole brain is linked to our GitHub organization. So on GitHub, by the way, we have an organization. It's named AI Marketing Hub. Most of the repositories are private for our Pro Hub community members. And inside we have Claude Blog, Marketing Hub Library, Claude SEO, Claude Blogs, AI Marketing Hub Scheduler, Fable Second Brain, and once again, Sales Brain, Claude Ads, Marketing OS, Code Exact. So we have quite a few here, a total of 31 for now. And this brain covers everything. So it means if you're not technical, so it means if you don't know how to prompt, you don't know what to do in general with your marketing, and you want to really grow. An example, how to grow, or if you want to grow, so something just even like this, for example, or even let's take another one, which is super fresh. Also like 3 months, boom, another one. If you want to see also Claude Ads that was just published 10 days ago. So we already have a specific spike and even clicks here. But it's not only about that, because here is just one website, which is one part, which is SEO. Here we're talking about marketing in general. We're talking about social media posts, about YouTube, right? Because YouTube is very important. Here we're talking about, wow, everything related to marketing, right? Instagram, TikTok, how to create posts, how to schedule them, how to check your website SEO, how to run ads. So there are many fields covered inside marketing, because as you know, marketing is quite vast. So this brain basically covers everything. So it means if I want to do, let's say, an SEO audit for a client, perhaps, or if I want to check, let's say, the current statuses of specific fields in regards to SEO, I can definitely just prompt my Claude hooked to the current AI Marketing Hub library brain, and he will execute anything relevant. I will show you an example of what this brain can cook. But first, let me show you exactly what we have inside and what exactly is this brain. I mean, what is it, right? Many people are asking themselves, oh, second brain, I made myself a second brain. But guys, do you know that you can use second brain for execution? You can do workflows, you can put your SOP, you can put your rules, you can put your prompts, and then you can also just put a / schedule command and it will run automatically, or even with a / call command, for example. So it takes time, a lot of time to set up, imagine all the brains, all the skills. You need to learn how to use all the skills. You need to check in full on what each and every brain does. But if you're hooking your agent to the current AI Marketing Hub library, then this one is not applicable anymore, because you can just say, hey, check my website SEO, example.com, and then it will fully do it. You can say, hey, schedule for me 20 posts on LinkedIn, and post them automatically. It will do it with the help of Social Media Hub. Hey there, check my emails, check my email marketing, suggest me strategies based on the latest up-to-date source cited information. It will also set this up for you. So there's no limits here, and you don't need to know if really, you don't need to learn many things, because everything is inside the current AI Marketing Hub library. So I'm just gonna even scroll around so you'll be able to see, look at that. For example, here we have SEO backlinks. Here we have Google search performance quick wins. Here we have SEO schema JSON. Here we have SEO tags, SEO image. If I'm gonna press even here, for example, so this is a full-on tag with all the relevant information. Here we have so many things, I can't even tell. Here we have even the part from the blog. Here we have from Social Media Hub, right? For example, this is social rankings, and exactly how you can rank on social media. And these are the prompts for your AI agent to execute each and every specific command, right? For example, if you want to create even an ultimate brain. And even speaking about the ultimate brain, everyone, because I will show you even another example that I made even before with Obsidian, also with the help of the current brain, because it's so massive and there's so many information. But once again, It's full on evidence-based. All the skills that we have inside our AI Marketing Hub Pro community, all the vaults are full on source cited with relevant, no fluff information, just for your information. So it's a big ass library of if really everything related to marketing, especially if I'm going to press here on the prompts. So let's say if I want my Claude to, in this case, budget rebalance. If you want my Claude to rebalance my budget, I can just say, hey, do that, and it will run straight away, for example, this prompt. And here we have, as I mentioned, quite a lot of things for each and every specific task. And how you can do it, by the way, how you can hook the current brain is quite simple, everyone, by the way. It's no rocket science here. It's quite easy. So I'll even close it for now, just for information. And for example, you have joined our AI Marketing Hub Pro community, and there's so many skills involved there, and you're like, shit, where should I start? Where can I start? Start from here. Yeah, the AI Marketing Hub library, this is the tool. This is all in. You don't need to learn Claude SEO. You don't need to learn Claude Blog or Marketing Brain or Social Media Hub or the local SEO, for example, right? You don't need to learn any of that because here, each and every vault already has specific commands and there are specific rules set in place. Now, how you can install it on your computer? It's very simple. So as soon as you're going to join our AI Marketing Hub Pro community, you'll have access to the current GitHub organization, to our private workflows. And here you can just press on code. And here you can just easily just copy this specific code from here, or you can just download a zip. It's totally up to you. Just copy the code because it's a lot more easier. You can create a folder and you can name it AI Marketing Hub Library, for example. And inside here, you will just need to open a terminal. And here you will just need to copy and paste the current command that you have copied from GitHub, which is basically this command here. And as soon as you copy and paste that in a terminal, after just 5-10 seconds, you'll have the full on vault. Afterwards, if you want to view the vault, you can just open Obsidian. So if you haven't downloaded Obsidian, you can just you can download Obsidian from obsidian.md. So obsidian.md, you can just download it here. And as soon as you have it, as soon as you have installed the current AI Marketing Hub library, what you will need to do, you will need to open the current folder inside Obsidian. So how we can do that? You can just press on open. Here, you can just go to that specific folder. And I'm going to press on OK. And boom, straight away here, we have the current vault. Oops, I think I opened the folder inside the folder. So I'm going to open it once again. Opening, desktop, AI Marketing Hub library here, and this is the vault inside here. Pressing so we can have some nice and sexy colors, because the filters are also applied here for our relevancy. And just like that, you're installing the current brain. And right now, let's say if I want to do a specific task, I can just let's say open VS Code. So I'll open right now VS Code so I can launch my Claude Code or my Codex agent inside the current thing. And if I want to use this for reference for my agent, right? I wanted to use the AI Marketing Hub library, for example, because there's so many things here. It's quite simple. I'll just need to open first in the exact same folder. It's not, by the way, mandatory, everyone, just for information. You don't even need to open in that folder. The most important thing is to have the path towards that folder. So I could just even go here, open the folder. I'll copy just the path within. And I can just even open a clean Claude Code session. I'm going to say here, path. And I put here the path towards the folder second brain. Afterwards, you can just say, hey there, I'm planning just to make a full-on SEO audit of example.com. And I want you to help me through. So use the AI Marketing Hub library for reference, check in full for all the skills needed for that, and just let me know. So this is an example of prompt that you can do with natural language, for example. And of course, then afterwards, you can just choose your model. Even for this specific just use case, I can even use Haiku, everyone, and even Sonnet, because they will perform. The best part about this, because all of this vault has full-on SOP mode in. So my own personal advice is use, of course, Opus 4.8 or ChatGPT 5.5 or 5.6 even Sol. Even Fable will do very well here, but it will eat a lot of tokens. So just, of course, be very careful with that. But you can choose and it will work with any sort of AI model, that being Codex, Gemini, Claude, or whatever there is, even GLM 5.2. It works with all of the models because it's an Obsidian Vault, it's files inside, and it is absolutely fantastic. And guys, I would say basically that's it. So I'll explore the Marketing Hub library and the SEO skill suite, because here inside, for example, we have the skill suite of SEO. Let me even check here, tag research. I think this part is SEO here. But once again, this brain is for your AI agent, everyone, just for information. It's not, well, it's also for you, by the way, if you want to read, but it's full on second brain for AI agent. And here is basically our school community, our AI Marketing Hub Pro, all the skills, all the vaults. You can just prompt it, hey, install all the skills and all the vaults, or update all the skills, all the vaults, or help me out with the social media, or do the SEO for me, create 500 blogs and schedule them next month, for example, or here I have five or 10 more clients that I want to do an SEO audit and create a report for them so we can just use for reference. You can also do that, guys. I mean, the only limit here is your imagination and exactly what is your need, yeah? So this will save you hundreds, not even thousands of hours of prompting and learning new stuff. So that's why it was made. So for anyone that is joining our AI Marketing Hub Pro community, you're going to have an easy way of handling things so we can save as much time so we can grow as fast as possible together. So guys, once again, this is the AI Marketing Hub library. And this is our about page. I'm going to put also the link down in the description. Please have a look. This is our school community. If it's too pricey for you perhaps, or you think that, hey, it's too early for you, it's okay. We have also the free community, guys. So please join the free community. Also, we have a lot of skills there. We have Claude SEO with over 10,000 stars on GitHub. We have Claude Ads. We have Claude Blog. And all of them are public. They're there for free for you. So if you're just starting out, and you're still like skeptical, okay, where should I start? What should I do? How can I rank? How can I increase my marketing? How can we grow? Then start with these skills. For me here, I have put a few skills just for reference for you guys. So you can always use. So you can use Claude SEO. It has over 10,000 stars. We have Claude Ads if you want to use for ads, Obsidian, Claude Blog. And of course, if you want to save time and not learning each and every one of them, plus the brains and the vaults, then please join our Pro Hub and you're going to have access to the current marketing full-on AI Marketing Hub library, which is absolutely fantastic. So guys, this is our AI Marketing Hub library. So it's our AI Marketing Hub Pro library to be exact. It's a full-on library of prompts, vaults, techniques, strategies, principles, tasks, goals, full-on schedule and automatic processes. Also because we have the AI Marketing Hub scheduler, for example. Everything marketing in regards to our community is put inside the current vault. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And please join our free hub at least, and put a like, put a subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Ciao.